guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! I've got a very, very different video. This is going to be... I've got a massive amount of tools. We're going to show you some of this stuff. I'd like to sell... Well, actually, this is my buddy's. He got all this stuff. He bought all this stuff with a part of another deal. He's trying to recoup some of his money. We're not going to get it all back, but we're going to try to sell this stuff one lot. Figured we'd give somebody a shot and see if somebody wants to buy all this on here. Let's jump right into this because this might take a while. So let me show you. All right, so all this Kent Moore. We've got time cert sets. These are literally like brand new, never used. SPX OTC Kent Moores. And we have all sorts of adapter cables. All this stuff all the way around here. All this stuff. Looking to get rid of. Is that a Blue Point? That is an old Blue Point refrigerator detection, leak detector. Yeah, so we've got stacks and stacks of cases. All sorts of stuff. Piston ring compressors. There's giant snap rings. There's diesel compression tester sets. Pinion shims. We've got control solenoid test plates. And then this is a diesel engine service tool set. Let's look at this. All right, so this is diesel engine service tool set. Kent Moore. All this is probably GM. Yeah, 6.6. This right here, this kit's probably stupid expensive. See all these part numbers. Take notice. I'm going to try to sell this all one deal. And if you're local in the area, or you can be by here, that'd be really great. We will not pay shipping. We'll definitely box it up, but not cover shipping. We'll try to get a pallet rate on this. Do a spot quote. Get it freighted out. We've got a forklift here. We can load it up. So we got all these cases over here. You want to open some of these?
Which ones?
Pump centering tool. Yeah, there's just a pile of stuff. Chassis, Steelman chassis ears. What's that? Is that another? The heck is that?
Infotainment tester kits.
GM. Multimedia. Huh. Anyway, there's a power steering pump installer right there. Not the Cornwell light, that doesn't go. Breakout box, an old school one. All these cases. Yeah, we're not gonna clean them up neither. So, where's the
transmission case tools?
Transmission case tool, GMs.
These are all GM shit.
All GM. A lot of them transmission, diesel. I mean, there's. What is it?
It's all the active fuel testing. I got the whole set.
A whole set.
That's like the paperwork shit.
Active fuel testers.
Over there.
What do you want for all this? $7,000 to take for everything, right? So $7,000. I know that seems like a steep number, but you're getting a hell of a deal for $7,000. All this stuff. All of this. Every last bit of it. Hell, the time certs alone are $100 a piece. Easy. That's a transmission. Oh, there's a full thread repair kit. That's
That's another full-time set.
full time cert set.
Never been
Never even been used.
Oil bottle still full.
Unbelievable. Crazy. Yeah, so there you go. We'll try to break it down, I guess, if somebody really wants something, but let's just go by, see if anybody's interested in this, the way it sets. We'll go from there. Sorry about the noise. It's a nice day out, but yeah, guys, there's a lot of stuff here. It's definitely a good deal. All right, so that's the long and short of it. Henry's just getting all over my teeth again. He just can't. So I'm helping him out by selling this stuff, or just helping him out trying to get rid of this stuff for him, because I figured, hey, who else is gonna want to buy it but you guys? So if anybody's interested in it, leave a comment. I'll try to get you to my email, and then redirect you to his. Work out a deal. Maybe if you're interested in buying half of it, we can do something. Whatever. I know there's a lot of stuff. It's just a lot to go over. There's a lot to inventory. I know that you don't get to see it. Most of the stuff is new. Most of the stuff is good. Trust me, you're getting everything for half price. That's all Kent Moore stuff. And if you guys know what Kent Moore, that's all dealer. It's really high-end nice stuff. So you're not going to go wrong with it. But those time cert kits are, I guarantee that time cert kit's like $200-300. So a lot of that stuff is easily. There's 2 of those diesel kits. Well, there's six of the time certs. Yeah, go ahead and yawn big, buddy. But yeah, I'll show you another couple pictures of them. We'll add a few more pictures in there. Try to get a few more pictures in the video here to fill in here and break it up somewhere in this. But anyways, guys, you know, like I said, a lot of tools, a lot of different stuff. You know, just let me know if you're interested. If you think you would be, Henry, just if you're going to be interested or whatnot, just leave a comment down in the comment box. I appreciate it. Remember, guys, as always, I appreciate you 100%. Quick video. Wanted to let you guys know. Appreciate you watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching. Right, Henry? Say goodbye. Say goodbye to everybody.